Hi everyone. Get ready for an exhilarating ride into the world of custom Harley-Davidson perfection. Join us as we explore the stunning 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S customized by Thunderbike in their latest masterpiece, the SPS-5. We give the Sportster S a layout that lives up to its name. A gem in shiny bright brilliant blue, combined with sophisticated bronze-colored accents that give this powerful bike an incomparable elegance. This reinterpretation not only impresses with its elegant color scheme, but also with the combination of beefy wheels and high-quality performance parts from our production. The Sportster S is a sporty motorcycle in the literal sense with plenty of ink on the pen. This applies above all to the powerful engine, with which you can tear chunks out of the asphalt in the highest riding mode. In terms of layout, Harley has remained a little half-hearted, let's put it that way. This applies above all to the chopper-style forward-mounted footrest system. The official range of accessories still includes so-called mid-controls, but only we have a proper rear-mounted footrest system. You will also find it on this SPS-5, which is to a certain extent our Stage 1 version of the SPS-4, which we have already presented to you. The main difference to the SPS-4 is that we have kept the original tires and the single-disc front brake. The bottom line is that it's a question of taste as to what you prefer, and of course also a question of money. Cornering enthusiasts are certainly better served by the narrower wheels of the SPS-4. If, on the other hand, you prefer the powerful appearance of the bobber wheels and like to celebrate acceleration orgies on straight stretches, you can choose our SPS-5. And because we also think the wheels are cool, we have developed a new, sleeker front fender for the original tires. The rear-mounted footrests will now give it a better grip, and the pressure on the Spirit leather saddle with its more pronounced edge will no longer cause it to slide backwards. However, we did not want to conceal our newly milled triple clamps for the SPS-5. This means that our narrower handlebars also work here. Good against the wind, but beware, on country roads the speed limit is still 100 km per hour, and the temptations of our SPS-5 can quickly catapult you well beyond that. Small goodies, such as a milled lamp mask and milled radiator cover, eliminate the plastic look of the standard version. Micro indicators also contribute to this, and the handlebar levers show at first glance who did the customizing. Our cover for the drive pulley on the secondary drive also contributes to the fine-tuning. As we said, plastic doesn't have to be used if it simply looks better in metal. And, of course, we gave the SPS-5 another Jekyll and Hyde system. 2-in-1, that's a point of honor, because nobody can be happy for long with the two pipes of the original Sportster S in the current zeitgeist, which is called performance. Thanks for watching.